Now I can show you how to numerically find out the current consumption on the DMM7510. Since we took 10 seconds of data, we can go to the home screen, push home, and swipe to statistics. The statistics screen shows the average current over the 10-second period. In this case, it's about 317.87 microamps. You can multiply that by 3600 to get milliamp hour. You can also see this value on the graph screen itself. So let's go to the graph screen. Push menu, graph. By swiping the bar on the bottom, you'll get to a buffer stats bar. In this bar, it gives you some of this data analysis that we have seen previously. In this case, the average is displayed here, 319 microamps. Graph also comes with cursors. To get to cursors, you can swipe the bar again and push the button gives you different combinations of cursors. Vertical, horizontal, or both. Let's turn on the vertical cursors only. And we can get a BLE advertising signal in this case. Let's move the cursors. Just grab and move. So in this case, the cursors are gated to 59.12 milliseconds, so about 60 milliseconds. And we can swipe the screen to the right to go back to stats screen. Right now, with the cursors on, it will show cursor statistics. In this case, the average current within the cursor is about 14.87 milliamps. And you can multiply the average current by the delta X, which is about 60 milliseconds, to get your current consumption.